Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with the following service. TaxCloud, https://taxcloud.com, offers a comprehensive solution for sales tax compliance. It automates the complex process of calculating, collecting, and filing sales taxes, making it a valuable tool for businesses of all sizes. With TaxCloud, you can streamline your sales tax management and minimize the risk of errors and penalties. The platform provides real-time sales tax calculations based on the customer's location and the product or service being sold. This ensures accurate tax collection at the point of sale. TaxCloud also handles the filing and remittance of sales taxes to the appropriate jurisdictions, saving you time and effort. One of the key advantages of TaxCloud is its address verification feature. This helps to ensure that the correct tax rate is applied based on the customer's precise location. Additionally, TaxCloud offers exemption certificate management, allowing you to easily track and manage customer exemptions. The platform integrates seamlessly with various e-commerce platforms, shopping carts, and accounting software, simplifying your workflow. TaxCloud provides detailed reports and analytics to help you gain insights into your sales tax data. You can track your tax liability, view filing history, and generate reports for audit purposes. Furthermore, TaxCloud offers excellent customer support, with a team of experts available to answer your questions and provide assistance. The platform is constantly updated to reflect the latest changes in sales tax laws and regulations, ensuring that you remain compliant. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, TaxCloud can simplify your sales tax management, freeing up your time and resources to focus on growing your business. They offer a free trial so you can test out the service before committing. Again, the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.